Good evening, guys. We're here at Star Wars Battles with a giveaway by Adam. It's the Mini 1 for the bandolier. 15 entries in this battle. Top 3 getting spots in the main. So let's get to it. Do it. We're going live. 12:15 a.m. here in Antwerp. There's your time. There's your list. There's your dice. 5 or better. Top 3. Here we go. It's 6. Round 1. 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's going to bring us to the final round. Big old Star Wars Battles. Good luck to the top 3. It's 12:15. Your top 3 are Mark, Rich, and Ryan. Congratulations. 7, 15, and 9 are your winners. Verification, JMGVUG. Round 6, line 7, 15, and 9 are your winners. And that's going to do it, guys. Grab your spots in the main. We're done. 12:16. And until next time, battle on.